You know, I've had a very special request, but I'm going to sing anyhow. You made me love you. I didn't want to do it. Did not want to do it. You made me love you. All the time you knew it. I'm sure you really knew it. You made me happy sometimes. Ooh, you made me glad. But there were times, dear, you made me feel so bad. No, you made me cry for. Oh, I don't want to tell you. Did not want to tell you. I want some love. That's true, yes I do. Did I do? You know that I do. I don't care. Let the whole world stop. Long as I have you, I'll be the top. You know you made me love you. Had to be you. I wandered around and I finally found somebody who could make me be blue, make me be true, while even be glad just to be sad, thinking about you. Never be mean, jump to that. Try to be boy, they would not do. Nobody else gave me a thrill. With all your thrills, it had to be you. Wonderful you. It had to be you. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Well, maybe I'm weak and honey, oh, so strong. Nevertheless, I'm in love with you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'll win, maybe I'll lose. Well, maybe I'm in for kind of crying blue. Nevertheless, I'm in love with you. Somehow, I know at a glance the terrible chances that I'm taking. Fine at the start, then left with a heart that's aching, breaking and busting in two. Maybe I'll live a life of regret. Well, maybe I'll give so much more than I get. Oh, what a mess I'm in. Nevertheless, I'm in love with